Welcome to Colorful Cute Kids channel.
Hi friends, welcome to the Colorful Cute Kids channel. Today, we're going to draw and color Peppa Pig having a sleepover with baby Alexander. So let's get started. First, I'll draw Peppa Pig's head, adding her to ears and cute little eyes. Then, I draw her rosy cheeks just under her eyes and her big, happy smile. Next, I'll draw her dress, followed by her curly tail and 2 little legs. Right here, I'll draw a baby mobile hanging above the crib. Follow along with me. Alexander's crib mobile has a candy, a bell, a gingerbread man, a ball, and even a snowman. Now, let's draw baby Alexander lying peacefully in his crib. I start with his 2 tiny ears and small nose, then draw his mouth. Oh no, he's crying. I wonder what happened. To make our drawing clearer, I trace all the lines with a black marker. Now, it's time to color. I begin with a soft light pink for Peppa's skin and use the same color for Alexander's skin. Darker pink for their noses, cheeks, and mouths. Peppa's dress is bright red and yellow, easy to follow. For this part here, I use dark blue. Alexander's outfit gets a cheerful yellow, and the crib is painted cream. Finally, the mobile is colored in dark purple. Amazing job, everyone! If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.